Hello, so this video isn't really kind of like a helpful video. Maybe just it could help you have a different perspective of what sin is. It could help you defeat sin or defeat it better. And I was reading Romans chapter 7, and chapter 7 verse 8 really stood out to me. The second half said, "For apart from the law, sin lies dead. Apart from the law, sin lies dead." So, sin isn't alive if the law doesn't exist. Sin needs the law in order to survive, in order to exist. And it reminded me of like a virus, for example. It's perfect timing with the coronavirus. So viruses aren't living things. It's kind of debatable, but most scientists agree that they're not living organisms. They need a host in order to survive. They latch on to cells and they kind of take over. They infect it, right? And it's the same thing with sin, right? It's dead without the law, without good, without truth. It doesn't exist. So it latches on to what's true, the law, the word, life, and it tries to corrupt it. Why? I have no idea. Maybe it's just a product of free will, but it's definitely the case. So, I mean, the easy way to get rid of sin is to get rid of the host. But since that isn't an option, I was trying to figure out a better way to get rid of the host. And I mean, the best thing I could think of was like, for example, if you going on Instagram makes you covet or makes you jealous or lust, then that's kind of the source. That's the seed of that sin. Not necessarily the seed, but it helps grow that sin. So you can cut it off there. I mean, I do that a lot. I delete Instagram. I'll delete YouTube if it's making me desire the wrong things. If it causes me to make idols of certain things or lust, I'll delete it. But I think it's definitely good to have self-control, which I guess being able to delete it is a form of self-control. That's just my little insight. The Bible says it. I mean, I see that truth in viruses, and I'm sure it's all over. But yeah, I hope that kind of gave you some perspective on sin and how you really need to like get rid of it from the root. Because sin, I forgot who said this, but somebody was saying how they don't believe in evil, or like evil doesn't exist. I think it was John Ramirez. I think John Ramirez says evil does not exist. It's just it's like it's relative to good. So if there's a good and a lesser good, then I guess like this lesser good would be compared to evil compared to the greater good, or a different combination of good produces something that is evil. But it's not really like something that exists. It needs good in order to be evil, because without good there wouldn't be evil. Alrighty. If you have any like video suggestions, please let me know, or if you just want to talk, you can message me and I would love to.